Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Mack and I am a junior here at Villa. Some clubs I'm involved in are Student Council, Community Service Club, Athletes Helping Athletes, Diamond Key Club, Ministry Team, Hope-a-thon Committee, Volleyball, and Lacrosse. The question is, why did you choose Villa? And personally, I chose Villa because I wanted to go to a school where I could be challenged academically, grow spiritually, and become part of a family that's like none other. And Villa has all those qualities where I am challenged constantly in all my classes. I grow spiritually by joining the ministry team, attending retreats, and I'm a part of a community that's like none other with events that are definitely special and fun. The question is, what is the environment like at Villa and do all the girls get along? I can definitely attest to the fact that the environment at Villa is fun, warm, and welcoming. Despite what grade you're in, all the girls get along. We can have friends, freshmen, sophomore, juniors, and seniors from sports teams, clubs, taking classes together, and no matter what grade you're in, everyone is a friend, and you always have someone to smile to and wave to in the hallway.